Let's play this guy. 2100. That's strong game is gonna be, right? Strong opponent. Hey, Sicilian. Welcome to the Wing Gambit, Mengarini. Yay. Oh, sugar. I didn't expect that. I'm lying. Of course I did expect it. This was supposed to happen, either this or something. Hey, I can make a pin. 5 minutes? Yeah, 5 minutes. I made a pin. They can't take the queen. So, let's see. If they do queen a5, I'm going to play knight c3. Oh, oh my lord! I'm coming. Okay, I'm cool with that. Wait a sec. 3-3, right? Okay, cool. 3-4-7. 3-4-7. That's okay. I mean, I just said it, but the guy actually did play what I said. It was possible to happen, and it did happen. Now the heck I'm supposed to do now? They go after this guy. Can I push them? I sort of. Yeah, what the heck? Let's just play. You know something? Black has the bishop here. You see. So let me just castle to be on the safe side of the history. I don't know what that means. Hey, Simpson. How's it going, brother? Okay. And now I have developed the bishop. The bishop on c1. Where the heck do I get that guy? Well, that's a question. Like, should I go g5? I mean, I've already played it. I shouldn't ask this. Oh, he want to trade now? I'll take. Because the bishop pair from my opponent, I didn't like it very much. Now, wait a minute. Just wait a minute. Should I do this just to stopping the knight? And then I'll take it from there. Yeah, I guess we can do that. Right? So, I'm going to explain. The c4 was to limit the black knight a bit. And now, because I got no other idea, I'm going to go with rook d. Sorry, I'm getting my rooks on open files or semi-open files normally. So now he created a little bit of a tiny little bit of weakness on e6. Not the end of the world, but I guess it's a potential weakness. Now where the heck do I go with my brave knight? I'm going to go b3 and then I'm going to go here. Right? Yeah, but then they're going to be attacking my pawn. Okay, hold it a sec. Hey, I gotta be careful with that guy, you see? Yeah, I have to go here. And after this one, I'm still debating. Oh, he goes after my knight. And I'm a little bit pinned, am I not? Yeah, of course I'm bloody pinned. Okay, I could do this nonsense. The guy's gonna take, I'm gonna take. Look, man, I'm in a pin, and I can't do this because of this. I can't move the knight because I lost the rook, unless I'm completely crazy. I mean, I thought I am, but I'm not. So, okay. He gonna take now. He gonna take my knight. There you go. Now I've got a forever weakness on f3. So the heck am I supposed to do now? Oh, man. He takes. Now what do I take with? Rook takes. Rook takes, pawn takes, rook goes. And then he's gonna march on with his own king. And is this how it's supposed to happen? If I take here, he gonna do this, he gonna do that. I don't know, actually. But I have to take the knight. Oh, Lord. Okay, take with the rook. Takes and takes and takes. 3-3-6, 4-2-6, Simpson. But the problem is, this guy's isolated. He gonna march. Okay. It's kind of still playable, I guess. The king can't attack me frontally, so I gotta move my own king. He gonna push this guy. Not just yet. I gotta move my king. Yeah. Now what the heck do I do? This? He gonna do this, I'm gonna do this, they're gonna do this, and yeah, I mean, what the heck, of course. What does he want to do? I'll let him take. Wait a minute. Takes, check. Right? Takes, check. He gonna have to go f6. And then I'm gonna defend with my king. Hey, wait a minute, mister. I've got a pass pawn here. And there is no frustration for my beautiful king, right? Ho ho ho! I start to like it, but the time is rubbish. I don't know, I'm feeling a little bit slightly, not too much confident. Well, oh, no. This. Bang, boom, bang, boom, bang, boom. Hey, I'm super cool, man. 55 seconds. Okay, give me more seconds. Who the hell am I talking? No one's gonna give me any freaking second nowhere. Hoppa! Fixing those guys. The B pawn can't move down the border, right? Maybe he gonna run out of good moves. Yeah. Maybe he gonna run out of good moves. You know, I'm gonna hit them from behind. That's not very orthodox, but I have to. You know, my dear friend in Rome, Notius Maximus, would say, I should stop joking. Joking is not going to help me. Oh, man. He is attacking my rook. Bad boy! Now he going to go here? No, he doesn't. What? Oh, for Christ's sake, is he gonna go? What? Okay, there's something fishy. I don't have time for subtleties, man. What? The hell did you do? Hey, look, I'm not complaining, man. I don't care. I'm happy with this. I'm bloody happy with this. I should be winning. Whoa, no, I'm an idiot. Check. What the heck am I doing? Oh, Lord. 12 seconds. I know, man, what I'm supposed to do. Oh, man. Do I push that guy? I'm sorry, mate. I'm sorry. It's just, I can't, man. It's just, I'm not sure they're winning. I don't have time. Oh, no. Sugar. Five seconds? 5 seconds? I should be winning, man. Oh, no, 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 no. No, no pre-move. I can't win. Oh, Christ, man. Queen D1. Queen D1, it's a pre-move already made. Fuck. Jesus Christ. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. How do you read that time, by the way? It's like 50 tenths or hundreds. What's that? I skipped the maths lesson. What? How do you read that thing? Oh, yo, yo, yo. Oh, sugar. Oh, Dios mío, man. If it wasn't for the pre-moves, that was just, that was it. Probably I would have drawn, because if you grab all the guy's pawns, you draw. If you get all the guy's pawns, you draw. And now let me go quickly to my TikTokers. Hey, Chris, thanks for being here, man. By the way, it was a live game. And now I can... Musako, every now and then I think, yeah, I watch the guy. He's gold. Yeah, totally. Fine gold is really gold. I mean, you're going to learn a great deal about chess from that guy. Yeah. Totally. Ben Feingold. Yeah, he's absolutely gold. Exactly as put his name. Yes. You're learning a great stuff from the guy. And totally. Yes. Yeah. So thanks for joining, guys. If it's TikTok, you can follow. If it's YouTube, you can subscribe. If it's Facebook, etc., etc. So in the Blitz, if you don't do pre-moves, you lose at some point, or you draw. Let me see how many blunders I did in 71 moves. I'm just curious. With all the gibberish I talk, I'm just curious how many blunders I did. Hey Max, how's it going? So one inaccuracy as per the computer. Well, it's a good start. 3 inaccuracies. Well, now it's getting the biggest disappointment ever. 4 inaccuracies. You can't get more disappointed than that. And that's about it. 4 inaccuracies. 4 inaccuracies in 71 moves. I think I can live with that.